Hi, I'm Shazam Roll. I'm the art alchemist from Rara Avis Emporium. This is my first piece for 2021. It's called Something Old, Something New, and it features a time traveler phasing through time. And as she traveled through time, she's picked up some found objects, some embellished with some metal gears and other found items. This is a glass peg, also a found item, that I've put a skeleton key that I've rusted up, skeleton key. And this is her something old, and you can also put your own house keys and car keys on this peg, so you can use this by your door. This is her something new that she's gathered just recently in her travels. It's a brand new, never been worn or used Japanese quartz watch, which you can take off and on from this little hook here. And it's embellished with some gears, which are copper gears. And it's really very beautiful, rose gold, brand new. And you can put your own watch here or leave it on the wall as is, or use it as a little traveling as you're going in and out of the house. It's made on collage on reclaimed wood. And I have a little hook on the back here, but you can also just use one of those 3M strips. It weighs about 2 pounds. It's not very heavy. And install your hook a little better than I did here so it doesn't look as rustic. But I love her. I think it's a great piece. I hope you enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. You can find her on my Etsy store, again, Rara Avis Emporium. And have a great day.